Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be looking at the UAG Metropolis LT Pro for the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Cool thing about this case is it has a built-in magnet, so it's compatible with magnet accessories, aka MagSafe. They just can't call it that because this case is not for an iPhone, so they don't have the licensing for that, but it is basically a MagSafe magnet, which I'll show you here in a second. And we're going to test it out with the S Pen because I've heard some of these cases, not UAG specifically, but just cases with the MagSafe magnet in them cause some issues with the S Pen on the screen being detected and stuff like that. But we're going to test that out in this video and see if that is the case. So there's the case. It is a Kevlar case. Very nice quality. It was about 70 bucks on Best Buy. I got a $100 Best Buy gift card when I pre-ordered my S23 Ultra, so I used part of that on this. So looking right here, you can see the actual magnet right here, the little circle and the little line down there. So you can tell that it is the MagSafe design magnet, so those are the accessories it works with. I've got my MagSafe wallet right here, official Apple wallet, and you can see you place it right there and it sticks just fine, just like a MagSafe accessory would. So there's that. We're gonna go ahead and throw it on my S23 Ultra right here and check it out and see if the S Pen works. I don't even think I've pulled the S Pen out of this phone yet, so I'm gonna have to do a little tapping this setup thing. Alright, there we go. So I'm in the area of the magnet. It looks like it's following on the screen just fine. Let me open up notes here. Create a new note, individual page. Yep. And we'll just do a little, let's see, just do a little pin here. So yeah, I'm going all around where the magnet would be on the back right here in this area, as you can see right here, and it works just fine. The pin's not skipping. There's no issue with the pin being detected on the screen or anything like that, and that's the same when you have it hovering and you have the little line on it. It does not have an issue following that at all. So it doesn't seem to be affected by the magnet on this case. Some other cheaper cases don't have that, something to block that interference from the back of the phone, or they use magnets that are too strong. You might have issues with the S Pen, because I've seen a couple videos where that is happening. But other than that, nice case. Got good buttons right here. Very clicky, very responsive. The camera sits flush with the back, so you don't have to worry about messing that all up. Like I said, you have your Kevlar right here. And then a hard kind of rubber right here. Not necessarily plastic, it is, flexible. And then we do have a little bit of a raise here on the top and bottom, and a slight raise on the edges so you can put your phone face down and it will not hit the screen. You can see all the marks on there from writing with the S Pen on my screen protector. But other than that, very nice case. Again, UAG, we'll leave a link down in the description below, and you can pick this up on Amazon. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.